What's up YouTube fam? Welcome back. Today I am going to do mukbang featuring my favorite momos. Let's get eating session started. Alright guys, this is my hot momos, homemade spicy sauce and drinks, and here's my plate. Let's go, cheers. Wow, so refreshing. So now I will taste. I made this by myself. Wow. Wow, this is super delicious. This sauce is very good. I made this by myself. I'm so happy I can make this so easily. I'm very good in making dumplings. Wow. Perfectly cooked and so tenderness. I have made two shapes, two design of momos. You can see different design, guys. I'm so happy, guys. It's so good, so delicious. I made this by myself. I'm very good in making dumplings. It's super hot. This looks good, right? Come to India, guys, and try these dumplings, but you will not find in everywhere, okay? You'll just find in Darjeeling and Sikkim. I wish I could share you guys. Super hot. Guys, it's so difficult to eat for me, but I'll finish this too because I don't waste food. I thought that I will eat today like other mukbangers, but see, I cannot eat this, but I'll not waste food. I'll finish this. Last bite. I've finished. Now I am a complete mukbanger. And this is my first mukbang video. I hope you love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Meet you guys on my next vlog. Bye.